Welcome to the tranquil beauty of the Beddagana Wetland Park, a stunning green sanctuary nestled in the suburbs of Colombo, Sri Lanka. This precious urban wetland, also known as the Beddagana Tank, is a vital biodiversity hotspot and a serene escape from the city's hustle, featuring lush marshes and vibrant waterways. Telangana is a true haven for nature enthusiasts, home to over 100 species of birds, numerous butterflies, and dragonflies. Keep an eye out for beautiful wetland residents like the purple heron, the colorful kingfisher, or a majestic water monitor. The park is cherished by the local community, providing a perfect setting for a refreshing morning jog, cycling, or simply enjoying a peaceful walk along the bund. More than just a park, this wetland plays a vital ecological role. It acts as a natural flood control area and a key water purifier for the city. Let's join forces to safeguard this precious natural treasure, ensuring the beauty and ecological benefits of the Beddagana Wetland Park continue to thrive for generations to come.